Also, the Igbo calendar itself gives you clear description of everything in a year. Because I can't remember what the Igbos call the months. The first month, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, 13. Can't remember what the Igbos called it, or the names for those months. Because day one is Eke, Uri, Afo, Nkwo, Eshi Eke, Eshi Uri, Eshi Afo, Eshi Nkwo. Some call Ubochi Eke, Ubochi Uri, Ubochi Afo, Ubochi Nkwo. Some call by dialect, like they call it by the dialect. So now, what you call first week, 4 days. 4 days in a week. Eke Uri Afo Nkwo. Eke Uri Afo Nkwo. And Noah. So 7 weeks in a month. Let's calculate it this way now. 7 weeks in a month. 4 times 7 give you what? 28 days. The same 28 that January is supposed to have, that they gave it 31, adding extra 3 jara to January. Okay. So 28 for 1. First month. The following month again, because continuously without adding, 4 times 7, it's still 4 times 7 again, 4 times 7 continuously. That automatically each month must have 28. 28 times 13 will give you what? 364 days. Check it out though. 28 times 13. You can also calculate on 28 times 13. 364 days. Okay. Times 13. 364 days. Look at it. This is where I'm doing my calculation also. This particular one. 364 days. Yeah. 364 days. Okay. So what you are going to observe here is, for January and for the Gregorian calendar itself, it will give you 336 days. And you will now subtract 365. 336 from 365. We now, that's where you let me do it again so you see. You do 365 minus 336. You now give you 29 days. But when you now add extra 28 days to, because that's why this they are 366, somehow that's why useless to me. When you now add the 360, when you now add extra 28 days to their 336, it will now give you 364. Okay, that's why you understand this particular Gregorian calendar, knowing that they missed it or they deliberately altered the calculation of the word itself. Okay.